Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We've got a special episode today that's sure to bring a bit of clarity and direction to your fitness journey, especially for our lovely women out there who are 50 and fabulous. Today, we're breaking down your fitness goals into simple, manageable steps. Now, it's important to remember that no matter your age, any fitness journey should start with setting clear and realistic goals. So let's get started. Step 1. Define your fitness goals. Ask yourself, what is it that you want to achieve? Is it weight loss? Building strength? Or improving your flexibility and balance? Remember, your fitness goals should align with your personal needs and aspirations. Step 2. Set SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to lose weight, a SMART goal would be I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Step 3. Break down your goals. Large goals can feel overwhelming, so breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks can make them feel less daunting. If your goal is to lose 10 pounds in 3 months, break it down to around a pound a week. Step 4. Track your progress. Keeping a fitness journal or using a fitness app can help you stay on track and motivate you to keep going. Celebrate each small victory along the way. And finally, Step 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key to achieving any fitness goal. Stick to your routine and remember why you started this journey. Remember, every step you take is a step towards becoming a healthier, stronger you. No matter where you are on your fitness journey, it's never too late to set new goals and strive to reach them. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and advice. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep going, keep growing, and keep glowing.